Welcome to my channel, Marvel Fashion Trends. Please like and subscribe to my channel. My heart is and always will be yours. You are the best thing that's ever been mine. Because of you, I laugh a little harder, cry a little less, and smile a lot more. I never want to stop holding your hand. You are my greatest adventure. You're my person. Forever is a long time, but I wouldn't mind spending it by your side. It's always better when we're together. Even on bad days, I'll still be happy with you. We were together. I forget the rest. You're my sunshine on a cloudy day. If I know what love is, it is because of you. You complete me. Love doesn't make the world go round. Love is what makes the ride worthwhile. Love is a friendship set on fire. You make me feel like the luckiest person alive. Being in your arms feels like home. Your voice is my favorite sound. You're my end and my beginning. I never want to stop making memories with you. You make my heart smile. Your love is all I need to feel complete. You're the one I've been waiting for. When I look into your eyes, I know I've found the mirror of my soul. I just want to be yours. You're my sunshine on a cloudy day. If I know what love is, it is because of you. You complete me. Love doesn't make the world go round. Love is what makes the ride worthwhile. I didn't choose you, my heart did. True love is rare, and it's the only thing that gives life real meaning. I only want two things in this world. I want you, and I want us. You are my now, my always, and my forever.